Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect a menu item to a page or section on your site on Wix. So let's get right into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add a menu from the Add Elements page, and I'll just click here, add the menu, and as you can see, the menu has been added. I'll just make the layout a bit different. I might change even the background color just so that it is a bit more visible, and looks like I can't change the background color, but it is what it is. But yeah, as you can see, now you have the menu over here, and I'm gonna make it a bit larger just so that it's more easily visible. But what you're gonna want to do is click on Manage Menu, and then you're gonna add an item and add a item whatever you want. I'll just click Add a Link, and as you can see, you can then, once you create a link, you can select anchor. Now this should say anchor and section, however it just says anchor, so you can then choose a page, and I'll, for example, choose FAQ, and as you can see, you can choose which anchor on the page. Currently the only anchor is the top of the page, but that is pretty much it. Once you're done with that, you just need to click done, and now that link has been added, and whenever you click on that button, that is where it's gonna take you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.